Success for me is about a good balance between personal life and work life.
I can't believe that my life is what it is because I literally didn't stand a chance. Hi, I'm Jason Marino.
And I'm Joanne Marino.
We are the owners of Imagine Photography. I put a lot of value in autonomy. That's literally the most important thing to me, being able to spend our time how we want to spend it versus how we would have to spend it.
When we were designing our home, it was really important to us to have the space for wall art just to celebrate our families.
I was born in a small town in southern New Jersey. I came from being on food stamps as a kid and my mom struggling and trying to get us, just get through the day and keep a roof over our heads.
I started photography when I was in high school, actually. I took a class, fell in love right away. Would have liked to have gone to college for photography, it just didn't work out. It became a business when Jason decided to get involved.
I took a couple pictures and I was immediately into it, really fired up about it. I said, hey Joe, let's get some weddings booked. I'll second shoot for you. Within 2 or 3 years, we started getting enough recognition where people knew who we were, and we were being asked to do weddings in all these great cities.
It was really important for me to get our business to a point to where we have the time to actually step away and spend it with our kids, watch them grow up.
Our oldest son was track, football, daughter was basketball, track, tons of stuff going on, and we were hey, we got to make a change. Fundy's been great for our business because we went from having to shoot 25 weddings a year to generate enough revenue to live on and be comfortable, to where we can work maybe once a week with a portrait client and help them design something that they're going to love and enjoy and find value in and generate that same revenue. And we went from working an 8 or 10 hour wedding plus all the prep ahead of time and all the work afterward to where we're investing generally only about 3 hours with a portrait client and generating the same revenue and oftentimes many, many times more than what a wedding would generate.
When a client reaches out to us, it helps a lot for them to see everything, to have a visual idea of what we do.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, that looks really good.
I want you facing inward to the artwork versus how you're facing outward right now. Let's put this one here. Right after the shoot, we'll sit down in our studio, we draw the curtains, and we have this great theater space. We'll show them a slideshow of the pictures we've just taken. We 100% rely on in-person sales to build the foundations of everything we do here with our business. So what do you think about the way we cropped the one on the top left?
Yeah, I really like that one.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Fundy really helps us.
Great house.
I love being able to see this.
It helps the clients. They can actually visualize their wall art on their walls. We can have them send us a photo of their living room, their bedroom, their hallway ahead of time, and we can show them everything to scale. So I think that is the number one thing that really helps them decide on what they want to purchase. Oh my gosh, that wall art looks amazing on my living room wall.
Fundy software is just a great way for us to serve our clients. We love the interface and the ease of use for us, and our time is really important to us. And I guess the easiest way to put it is that Fundy really gave us our lives back. We built our dream home. I literally look out the window sometimes and I can't believe I'm living here. And I'll turn to Joanne and say that. I'm can you believe we live here? Fundy software opened that door to us, and I love that we're just able to sustain something great and enjoy each other, enjoy our family, and Fundy really has done that for us.